Complete the following installation with the door open. Make sure the latch is inserted in the proper direction with the up arrow pointing up. To extend the latch to 2 3/4, rotate the cylinder clockwise. Twist the extension plate all the way out. Insert the deadbolt latch into the door. Make sure the faceplate sits flush on the door. Do not force the latch. Using the 2 screws provided, screw the latch into the door. Do not use a drill, only a handheld screwdriver. Do not fully tighten for later adjustment. The deadbolt latch must be extended during installation. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, extend and retract the latch to ensure smooth operation. Leave the latch extended. Install the exterior assembly to the door while guiding the control wire over the latch. The tailpiece must go through the latch in the horizontal position. Secure lock front to the door with low-tack tape when installing alone. Insert both mounting posts to the interior assembly. Carefully insert the control wire into the wire connector. Do not force. Make sure the knob is in the vertical position. Insert the horizontal position tailpiece into the interior assembly. Carefully push the interior assembly against the door. Be careful not to pinch the control wire during assembly. Using provided screws, attach the interior assembly to the exterior assembly. Do not fully tighten for later adjustment. Smoothly extend and retract the latch. Check the rubber gasket is properly aligned. Tighten all screws securely, do not over-tighten. Reset the lock. If there's an issue, loosen, readjust, and tighten again. With the door remaining open, insert 4 AA alkaline batteries into the battery compartment.